Locus and construction. This is where you need to use your compass and a ruler and, most importantly of all, a pencil. Question number 1. Draw the locus of all points which are equidistant from the points A and B. What you do, you get your... It's basically asking you to bisect the 2 points A and B. So get your compass, draw your line there and there, do the same thing the other side, put it in there and do it there and there, and draw your line going through where the lines intersect. Draw the locus of all the points exactly 3 centimetres from the line PQ. You need to get yourself a ruler, measure out exactly 3 centimetres like I'm doing there. Then you can do your bits at the end. So you put it on the end of the line and do the curve, and then you do the same at the other side, do the curve, and when you've got your 2 curves there, you simply connect them up at the end. And that locus I've drawn is exactly 3 centimetres away from every point of that line. Question 2. Draw the locus of all points that are equidistant from the lines A, B and AC. It's asking you to bisect the angle. What you do is this. You set your compass up there. I've drawn that one first, and then I go and draw that one, and then I use these points, put that on the point there, draw that one up there, do the same with the other one, and then connect up through that line till it hits the point there in the middle. Question 3. The map shows part of a lake. In a competition for a radio-controlled boat, a competitor has to steer a boat so that its path between A, B and C, D is a straight line. This path is always the same distance from A as it is from B. So what you need to do for this one, you've got to do the perpendicular bisector of the point AB. So put your compass there, draw your things on like we've done before, and there's one down there as well, don't forget that, and then do it for the other 2. So that side, and then you can connect your line straight through it. But don't forget to go up to the line CD, because that's where you've got to sail your boat. Question number 4. Shade the region inside the triangle which is both less than 4 centimetres from point B and closer to the line AC than AB. First of all, what you do for this one is less than 4 centimetres from point B. So get your ruler, set your compass to 4 centimetres, which is about there, but make sure you get it exact, and you need to draw an arc, and that arc we need to do is there. And you see I've done it before and I've answered it, but there we go. So that's the arc you've got to do, because it's got to be less than 4 centimetres from B and closer to AC. So that means it's got to be closer to this line here than it is to that line there. So what I've done the perpendicular bisector of I bisected the angle, bisected that angle there. So what I've done is put my thing on there, and I've drawn that arc there and that arc there, and then I've gone on and connected them up so where they cross, and then I've drawn the line going up, and then just shaded in the bit that is less than 4 centimetres from point B, which is inside this whole region here, but closest to line AC. So that is just that bit there. Question number 5. The diagram shows position of 2 telephone masts A and B on a map. Measure the bearing of B from A. So it's from A, so we're going that way, and that is 060. Don't forget to put the O because it's a 3-figure bearing. Another mast another mast C is on a bearing of 160 degrees from B. So you need to get a protractor and measure 160 degrees from B, and what you're looking at is that one there, and it's 4 centimetres from B, so draw a line going down that one, 4 centimetres, mark it there, put it with a cross. Question number 6. Diagram represents a solid made from 5 identical cubes. On the grid, draw the view of the solid from direction A. Imagine you've got those multi-links cubes we use in class, and, well, not very often, but occasionally, and you're looking from that way. All you could see is that face. I'll show you in the faces you can see. You can see that face there. You can also see that face there, that face there and that face there. So if you're looking from that way, that's all you can see, so that's why it should look like that. Question number 7. Here's a plan and a front elevation of a shape. On the grid below, draw the side elevation of the solid shape. Well, from the side, you're going to be looking at the slopey bit, but you won't be able to tell that it's slopey. So you know it's 2 centimetres or 2 boxes high, but it's also 2 boxes wide. So that's how you know the height, that's how you know the width. So it should be a box 2 by 2, and the solid shape should look something a little bit like that, I think. Question number 8. In the space below, use rule and compass to construct an equilateral triangles with all sides of length 6 centimetres. You must show all of your construction lines. This should be 6 centimetres, but because of the photocopier, it's come out slightly less, as you can see. So that will be 6 centimetres when you do your exam. Set your compass to 6 centimetres. Go on the lines and draw these lines up here. These are your construction lines you're drawing, and then just connect them up, and that is your equilateral triangle. Question number 9. Use compasses to construct the perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector is the one where you put it on point B, and you've got to do I'll try to get it like I've done it before, a loop there and a loop there. Then you do one the other side, that goes from there to there and there to there, and then you just draw straight through and connect them up. There we go. Question number 10. ABC is a triangle. Use a ruler and compass to construct an accurate drawing of triangle ABC. The line BC has been done for you. The line should be 10 centimetres. I found that it's not because it's a photocopying error, so never mind. This has got to be 6 centimetres. So what you do, you get your ruler and you set it to 6 centimetres like that. Hope you can see that. Put your point in there, draw it up there, and that's 6. Do the same thing for 8 centimetres for this other line we're drawing. So that's there. Put it in there, and off you go. And then connect them up and leave your construction lines on. Fully label your triangle. Question 11. Use a rule and compass to construct an angle of 30 degrees. You must show all your construction lines. What I did for this one, I started off by constructing, just trying to think what I did then. Make your compass that wide, and what I've done is I've started as if I'm drawing an equilateral triangle. So I've done that up there, and I've done this one up here, because if all the sides are the same length, it'll be an equilateral triangle. So to finish off the triangle, I could have gone down there, and that would be equilateral. But what I know now is that this angle here is 60 degrees, because it's one angle of an equilateral triangle. Then all I've done is bisected that angle using this method we've done before. Draw that there, and draw that one there, and do the same thing that we did last time. That goes there like that, and from the other one, and then you need to connect it up to the point there, and that is an angle of 30 degrees. And that's your questions on construction.